To remove the cable holder, first remove the side cover, the top fan, or CPU water cooler, depending on whether the system is air or water cooled, and any graphics cards installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard bracket assembly from the unit. Before removing the cable holder, it may be helpful to use a twist tie or similar item to secure the separate bundles of cables to each other to assist in correct routing of the cables in the cable holder when replacing the cable holder. Slide out the hard drive fan filter from in front of the cable holder. Disengage any connectors from the cable clip on the bottom wall of the PC. Detach the single Phillips No. 2 screw that secures the cable holder to the front chassis wall of the PC. Slide the cable holder up, then carefully remove it from the unit, pushing all the cables back through the pass-through holes on the cable holder. There are 2 tabs on the cable holder. Let's slide into 2 slots on the front chassis wall of the PC. To reinstall the cable holder, first route the cable bundles back through their pass-through holes on the cable holder. Align the tabs of the holder over their slots, then slide the cable holder down until it is correctly positioned. Secure the cable holder to the front chassis wall of the PC with its Phillips No. 2 screw. Replace the bottom cables into their cable clip at the bottom of the PC. Slide the hard drive fan filter back in front of the cable holder beneath the screw attachment point. If you tied the cable bundles together for easier replacement routing, remove the ties.